Congratulations on your MaxoRize Professional X. You've taken this step because you recognize something, that stiff neck that just won't go away, shoulders that are constantly under pressure, sleepless nights, fatigue, maybe the feeling that your head is no longer clear and that you feel like you can't perform as well. These 2 minutes will make the difference between disappointment and transformation, so please watch along. Many people expect a neck device to provide a mechanical massage, warm, soft, and comfortable on the outside. But those kinds of products only address the surface. Your problem lies deeper. The Professional X works differently, from the inside out, via your nervous system and deep muscle layers. And if those have been under tension for years, then that first stimulus can feel intense, tingling, sharp, maybe even uncomfortable. Compare it to running. You don't just get out of bed to run a marathon without training. Then your body protests. Not because running is bad, but because you haven't prepared your body for it. If level 1 already feels intense, that's not a defect. It's proof that your body desperately needs this reset. That's why building up is essential, and here's how you do it. Step 1. Place the device in the omega shape around your neck. All 6 contact points must be directly on clean and dry skin. No hair, no clothing, and no jewelry in between. Good contact means good comfort. Step 2. For the first 4 days, start on mode 1, soothing, at level 1 or 2. Heat on low or off. You can adjust it with the middle round button, 1 session per day. Don't feel much? No problem. Your nervous system is now slowly getting used to the stimulus. Step 3, days 5 to 7. Slowly increase to mode 2 and intensity 3 to 5. You can now do 2 sessions per day. After 1 week, choose your favorite mode and intensity yourself. Your body is then ready for the full program. You'll find the exact daily schedule in the Quick Start Guide, which you can download online. Read it because it's your personal roadmap. What can you expect if you follow this build-up advice? After the first week, less tension. After 2 weeks, better sleep and more peace of mind. After 3 weeks, more energy and sharper focus. And that heavy feeling in your neck and shoulders noticeably decreases. This is not a quick fix. This is recovery from the inside out. And that's what your MaxoRize Professional X was made for. Grab the Quick Start Guide and start today with Mode 1, Level 1, and give your body 3 weeks. Welcome to Real Recovery.